Hello friends, if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to cook basmati rice without causing blood sugar spikes. This method will also help you control blood pressure. This is the exact rice cooking method I teach my diabetic and hypertension clients to reduce their numbers in 3 to 4 weeks. Now let's get cooking. Step 1. Soak basmati rice in water for 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. Any type of rice works too, but avoid polished white rice if possible. It is the most processed rice grain. Add half or 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric to the pot. I recommend sea salt. The curcumin in turmeric helps blood sugar levels and also relaxes blood vessels. Drain and rinse the rice with clean water to reduce the starch content. This process reduces up to 15% of the starch. Now, add some vegetables of your choice and steam. Add 1 tablespoon of olive or sunflower oil. These oils support heart health, while vegetables with low glycemic index further help with blood sugar control. Now, your diabetic-friendly rice is ready to serve with sauce or stew of your choice. Please share this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more nutrition tips and healthy recipes.